Good morning students. This is Shikha Dhama, yoga teacher. As you know, here we are going to start third day of summer camp with yoga session. So we are going to start from some effective variations of the asanas. In this yoga session, we are going to practice 6 asanas in which 3 are performing by me and next 3 performing by Amit Tyagi sir. These all are very effective to boost our immunity and fight with the coronavirus. So get ready for the first practice, that is Tadasana. Get ready for Tadasana. It is a standing posture. It calms your breathing, increase awareness and relieve tension. The name derived from the Sanskrit word Tada and Asana mean posture. That is why it is called Tadasana. Stand straight and keep some distance between your feet. Now while deep inhaling, raise your both the arms upwards and interlock your fingers. Raise your heels and stand on your toes. Feel the stretch in your body and hold this position and your breath for 10 seconds. Then exhale gently and come back. Repeat this cycle for 10 times. Now let's start with Ardha Chakrasana. It is also called half wheel pose. In Sanskrit language, Ardha means half, Chakra means wheel and Asana means pose. That is why this is called half wheel pose. It strengthens the back, abdominal muscles and opens the chest. Now stand straight and bring your hands together in a palms position. And put your palms behind your back. Now slowly bend the upper part of your body along with the hands as far as you can go. Remain in this position for a few seconds to a minute according to your capacity. To release the pose, bring back slowly to the standing position with the hands on your side. Now get ready for Vajrasana. It is a simple sitting posture. It comes the name from the Sanskrit word Vajra, which means thunderbolt. It helps stability, calmness of mind and cure digestive problems. Kneel on your mat. Place the tops of your feet flat on the mat. Bring your knees almost together and sit on your heels. Tone your belly to help prevent overarching your lower back. Sit up tall, look forward, place your hands on your thighs, look forward and feel your breath. Remain in this position for a few seconds and exit as you entered and stretch your legs out in front of you. This is called Vajra Asana.
Good morning dear students. My name is Amit Kumar Tyagi, yoga teacher. Here I am going to start from next 3 asanas. First one is Vrikshasana, second one is Trikonasana, third one is Ustrasana. These all asanas are helpful to be healthy in this COVID time. So let's practice these asanas with me. Students, get ready for Vrikshasana. Vrikshasana is a standing asana that improves balance, focus and mental clarity. The name comes from Sanskrit Vriksha meaning tree and asana meaning pose. So let's start. Bend the right leg at the knee. Slowly raise up both the hands at shoulder level, palm facing downward. Then change your palms. Slowly raise up both the arms over the head and joining the palms together. Maintain your posture. Slowly come back, step by step. Then do same practice with other side. Start. Step 1, 2, 3. Step 4. Hold your posture. Slowly come back step by step. Relax. Students, get ready for next practice. Trikonasana or triangle pose. Trikona, a Sanskrit word, means triangle. In this asana, the body makes the shape of a triangle. Hence, it is called Trikonasana. It improves the flexibility of spine. Let's start. Move your legs 1 to 2 feet apart. Stretch the arms sideways and raise them to shoulder level. Half forward bend. Place the right hand on the left foot or place your palm on the floor. Stretch the left arm up. Maintain this position, keeping arm at 90-degree angle. Hold or maintain your posture for a while. Slowly come back step by step. Now do same practice with other side. Slowly come back. Relax. Ready for Ustrasana or camel pose. In Sanskrit, Ustra means camel. In the final position of this asana, the body resembles a camel. Hence, this is called Ustrasana. It helps to tone up the entire digestive system. So let's start. Step 1. Sit in Vajrasana. Step 2. Stand on the knees. Raise up your both the hand at shoulder level. Slowly, right hand goes up. Place the right palm on the right heel or sole. Left hand goes up. Place the left palm on the left heel or sole. Hold or maintain your posture for a while. To come back, release the hand one by one. Bring the head, neck and chest back to the normal position and slowly come to the Vajrasana. Release your leg one by one. Then come back to the normal position.